Let's check out this Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt drill kit. It has a 3/8" chuck, so it can hold up to 3/8" drill bits. And it takes the 18-volt Ryobi ONE+ batteries. The one that comes with this is a 1.5 amp hour, so it's a medium to small one. Is that a problem? No, I tend to use this for small jobs. Its lightweight design and medium power is great for stuff around the house. The speed is controlled by the trigger, so the harder I pull, the faster it goes. The reverse button also functions as a lockout and keeps me from accidentally turning it on. The chuck is keyless, so I can switch drill bits without having to search for a tool. It doesn't fully lock in the off position, but it does resist pretty well, so I found that I could tighten it effectively. It holds a variety of drill bit sizes from large all the way down to tiny, and I can switch over to driver bits if I need to. At 600 RPMs, this is not the fastest drill motor I've ever owned, but it is good for screws because I don't want to go too terribly fast with those. This kit comes with a compact charger, and it's just as easy to use as you would expect. Take the battery out, drop the charger on it, and then keep an eye out for the indicator lights. They'll tell you whether it's empty, charging, or full. If you were tired of having a workbench full of large chargers, this might be a welcome sight for you. It really doesn't take up a lot of space, and on a workbench like mine, that's a great thing. I like this kit, I like that I can share the battery with my other Ryobi ONE+ tools, and I feel like I got a good value for my money. Recommended.